Hi there! In this video I want to talk to you about selectors in UiPath. What exactly is a selector in UiPath? Selectors are used by UiPath to interact with the graphical user interface elements. So UiPath will identify the tags and attributes in each and every element and then will use them to know exactly where the automation should work. Let's say, for example, you are automating a process that is filling out a form on a web browser, and then in the end of this automation you have to click on a button. UiPath will use these attributes and tags to make sure that that button is unique. It's a unique element in the scope of the automation. Otherwise, UiPath wouldn't know in which button it should click, right? To demonstrate it to you, I will jump to my UiPath Studio and I will create a new project. Hit create. Now UiPath has loaded my project. I will open the main workflow. And then here, I simply want to open a text file. I will select Open Application. Actually, I will select Get Text from UI Automation. And then here, I will select my notepad. And then when I open up the selector, I can see which properties UiPath has used to identify this element. You can see here that the title text file 01 is being used. That is not the best practice, but I will show you how to fine-tune the selector later on. For now, I will validate again. Okay. Moving forward, I will also show you how to interact with a browser. In this case, I can use the activity attach browser. I will use this browser that's open. And then in here, you can see that the selector is already different. Shows the target app as Chrome and the title as well. But let's suppose I want to get a text, extract a text from this browser. Then I would use this get text activity and I want to get the name. And then in here, notice that the selector, it's already slightly different. Finally, I want to show you a third example, and I will also use the get text. But now against this UI demo application. This is a very simple application provided by UiPath just for testing purposes. And I want to get this text, caching. And then when we open up the selector, you can see that it's way different than the ones we saw before.